What's up, baby girl? I'm back. How you going? Yeah, good, thanks. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get these VIVA GLAM eyes. Soft, glam, gorgeous eyes by Viva Palette, Thalia X Motives Cosmetics. See this color under here? This is the color that makes you go, wow. So if you want to find out how to do this smoky Viva tutorial, then baby girl, stick around. And welcome to my full eye look tutorial using Viva Palette by Thalia X Motives Cosmetics. We're going to start off by going in with the Motives Cosmetics eye base, putting this all over the eye, and this is just so that we can have a nice base. So one, it can get rid of all the discoloration on your eyes, and also so the eyeshadow sticks to it and makes it last longer. Do that and then just blend it in with your finger. So first up, we're going to go in with this color right here, which is called Sass. We're going to put this on a brush and we're going to put it all over the eyelid, starting from the top right underneath the brow bone, bring it all the way down to the lash line. Next step is to go in with this color here, which is called Hottie, and mix it with contour. These two colors, we're going to put it above the crease and then join it up with the outer third of the eye. Next step is to make the inside of the tear ducts pop. So what better way to do that than to use this color right here, which is gorgeous gold color, and it's called Sunbeam. We're going to put that right in the inner corner of the eye, like so. Next step is to go in with this color here, and it's called Heat, and it's, oh, I love this. It's got shades of pink, gold. It's kind of iridescent. What we're going to do is put that all over the eyelid, but leave that outer third, okay? So just tap it on. Okay, next step, we're going to go in with these two colors here, 1 and 2. So Frisky and Rhythm. One is metallic and one is the same color, but it's just a matte color. And this matte color is actually going to deepen this color up, okay? Because when you apply matte metallics, they don't have as much depth and intensity. So we're going to increase the intensity by going in with Rhythm. You're going to put that on the outer third of the eye. So I've been leaving this color for lucky last because I think out of all the colors, this is her main theme color. I'm talking about Thalia, okay, which is a gorgeous turquoise metallic, and it's called Splash. So we're going to go under here. That's where we're going to put it, okay? This is going to give it the wow factor. So put some splash on your brush and just go all the way under here. And don't worry about all this. It may look messy now, but we're going to clean it up. And you, honey, you're just going to be channeling Thalia, okay? Once you finish with that step, you're going to grab a little wet wipe and you're going to go under here and we're going to clean up on the side, okay, to create that angle so that when we apply our wings, we've already got the angle. So I've got my wet wipe, just going to go under here. Now this part is really important. See here, just go in one quick swoop towards the brow. See that? See how soft that is? Okay, done both sides, and now we are ready for the wings. Next step, honey, is to apply your wings. So we're going with Motives Liquid Eyeliner Luxe Precision. Now, normally I do start from the inner eye, but I'm only going to start this time from the outer eye, okay? Because there's already a lot happening with my eyes. There's a lot. I don't want to make it too dramatic. We're just going to start from the center and then take it out to the ends, just like this one, okay? Next step is to go in with your mascara, top and bottom. Going in with Motives Cosmetics Fiber Lush in black. Now, I don't have a lot of lashes. And if you're like me, then honey, not to worry, because we're going to be applying false lashes, all right? But get whatever you can on those itty bitty lashes, top and bottom. And look at that. You can see the, look at my fake blue eyes. It's picking up that gorgeous splash blue color under here. You know, fake blue eyes with my gorgeous blue shadow. Ah, divine. Next step is to go ahead and apply your false lashes if you're like me. If you want to add a little bit of drama, if you want to be a little bit extra, if you have tiny itty bitty little lashes and you just want to flutter about, then go ahead and apply your false lashes. I'm going in with these ones here by P. Louise. They're one of my favorites. Honestly, they are definitely one of my favorites. And this is in Dare. So go ahead, apply the lashes, and honey, come back to me. Dun, dun, dun. Yes. Honey, did you say I'm dramatic? All right, that brings us to the end of this little mini eye look. I think that's enough drama for one day. Let's take a close-up of this Thalia X Motives Cosmetics Viva Glam eye look. And that brings us to the end of this full eye look tutorial. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and if you need any help, then sound off on the comments below. Make sure you stick around for my full eye palette review on the Viva Thalia X Motives Cosmetics eye palette. Until next time, bye-bye.